Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Trailhead explanation. In this video, we are going to cover unit get hands-on with a record triggered flow from the module Winter 21 release highlights no code, low code. So here in this unit's challenge, we have to create a record triggered flow that will be triggered whenever an opportunity record is deleted. So the scenario or the use case that we have on our plate for this unit's challenge is that the VP of sales has received a feedback from account owners that close lost opportunities seem to disappear from their opportunity list without notifying them. So we are going to create a record triggered flow that will automatically notifies an account owner when closed lost opportunities are deleted. So let's quickly launch our Trailhead Playground and see how we can proceed with this. So you have to go to your flows. Here I am on the list of flows that I have in my org. You have to create a new flow that. So select this record triggered flow, create it. Now here we are on the configure start screen. So here we have to select the object opportunity, and this should trigger only when a record is deleted. Select this option. Now for the set entry condition, we have to select all conditions are met with an operator. And the condition that we are setting over here for the entry of records into the flow for the logic is we have to check whether the stage is equal to close lost. Then only it should enter into the further logic that we are going to build in the record triggered flow. So this is the entry criteria that we have placed. That's all you have to do for this configure start screen. Just click on done. The next is we are going to create a action which will notify the account owner that the related opportunity which has been closed lost is deleted. So let's see how we can do that. So what you have to do is you have to create an action by the label notify account owner of closed lost opportunities. So let's just go back, click on this plus icon, select this action under interaction section. Now here for the action, just search for send email. There it is, select this one. Label I'm going to put out, which I have copied from the challenge. Now for the body, we are going to create a text template. So toggle this body option, and here we are going to create a new resource which will be of type text template. Now the API name I'm going to take up from the challenge. Okay, it's not mentioned in the challenge, so you can name anything for this text template body resource. So I'm going to name it as email body. You can name it as per your choice. Then for the body, we are going to place the text which is mentioned in the challenge, a closed lost opportunity, then dynamically taking up the name from the record global variable was deleted by the user first name and the last name. So I'll copy this text from a closed lost opportunity till the last name and paste this over here. But before you paste it, make sure instead of rich text, you select view as plain text. That would exclude all the HTML tags or CSS that's applied to the text mentioned in the challenge. So I'll just paste this over here, click on done. So our API name or the resource or the text template resource has been automatically selected over here, email body. Now next is we have to add the subject. So at the bottom, you can see there is the subject option. So toggle this. And the subject that we are going to place is deletion of the closed lost opportunity and the name of the opportunity, which is dynamically fetched using the global record variable. So I'll just paste this over here in the text area of the subject option. Then next is we have to mention the email addresses for the recipients who get the email. So we have to add record.account.owner email. Now account owner email will come from the opportunity record which has triggered this flow execution. So this is what we are going to add in the email address recipient section. So let's just go back on the top, and here you will find there is this option recipient address list. So select this or toggle on this. Now here we are going to first of all select record global variable for the triggering opportunity record, and then we are going to select account ID, which has this further drop down. Select this as well, then owner ID, and then email. So here we are selecting the email ID of the owner of account associated to our triggering opportunity record. So that's all we have to do for our new action or email action. Just click on done. The next is we have to copy this flow label, email account owner, go back, save your flow, label it as email account owner, save this again. Now we are going to activate this flow. Now the last thing that we have to do is we have to, okay, so we forgot to place this description in our flow, email notification to account owners that a close lost opportunity has been deleted. So let's just copy this description as well. Go back to your flow builder here again. To update the description of this flow, so you have to go to this gear-like icon, and here in the description text area, just paste the description which we have copied from the challenge. Just click on done. Now, as you see, the deactivate button has been disabled and save button is also disabled. Why? Because version 1 we cannot edit and we have made our changes, so we are going to save it as a new version. So click on the save as button. A new version is selected over here. Click on save. So a new version has been created with the changes that we have made for our description field. And you can see version 2, it has been updated to version 2. Just click on activate again and our flow will be activated. Now, in order to test this flow, we have to delete an opportunity. But before that, we have to make sure that the opportunity stage is updated to close lost. So let's just test this flow as well. Go to your app launcher and here search for opportunities. Go to all opportunity list. Now here we have the list of all the opportunities and there it is the account name as well, associated account name. So whenever a close lost opportunity we are, and if we are deleting that, so the email will be sent to the owner of this particular account which is associated to this account. So let's say if I take up the opportunity express logistic portable truck generators, and the associated account to this is express logistics and transport. So I'll open this up, and here before deleting it I'll change this stage from value proposition to close lost. So let's just update this from here, close lost, and save this. Open this account on a new tab. This is the related account to this opportunity, and when we are going to delete this opportunity with close lost status, this will send an email to the owner of this associated account, Express Logistics and Transport. So go to details and you can see here, or on the top as well in the highlight panel, you can see account owner is Trailhead explanation. Now, if you open up this record account owner on a new tab, you'll find that there is this email section over here where the email has been mentioned of the user associated or the owner of our account. So our account owner is Trailhead Explanation. I am on that user account, and the email associated to that owner is this, which is mentioned in my email field. So email will be sent to this email. Let's delete this opportunity record. So right now I'm on Opportunity Express Logistic Portable Truck Generator. Go to this drop down and select this delete option. Now, as soon as you delete this opportunity, you'll receive an email. Click on delete. So our opportunity record has been deleted. Let's just go to our email, which is mentioned in the account owner email field, which we saw just a few minutes back. I'll go to my email and refresh this. Okay, looks like we didn't receive any email. Let's see what's the issue. All right, so we didn't receive the email. So the next thing that we have to do is, so right now I'm on this owner detail page. You have to click on this user detail, and this will open up the user page for the logged in user or the account owner that we have. This is the user page, and there you will see that there is this verify button against the email field. You have to click on this verify button, click OK, and this will send an email again, a new email to this email address which is mentioned for your user. Let's just go back to our email and see whether we have received one. So we have received this email, and you have to open this, and there is this link that you have to click on. Once the email is verified, it will show you the success message. Just click on continue. Now let's go again to our opportunity, and we are going to delete another one, opportunities. And then we are going to go to all opportunities list view. Here, let's say I'll select another opportunity and change its stage to close lost first. Let's say I'll select this Gene Point Lab Generators, and the associated account is Gene Point. So I'll open this up again, and the account I'll open up on a new tab to see who's the owner. Again, the since this is my Trailhead playground, so I'm the only user here, and I'll be the owner of this account. So Trailhead Expansion is the owner, and the email will be same again, which was there on my email field for this Trailhead Expansion user record. So what I'll do is, again, I'll go to the stage here and update it to close lost. Save this. Now we are going to delete this opportunity, and this time we are going to receive an email stating that you have deleted this close lost opportunity with all the details that we have mentioned in our flow email action. So let's just go to the top right delete button and click on this, click on delete. So our opportunity Gene Point Lab Generators is deleted. Let's just go to our email again and see whether we have received an email. So yes, now we got the email. So the reason why we were not getting the email previously was we have to verify the email address that is mentioned on the user page in order to receive the email. So this is one time thing. Next time you do not have to do again and again for every email action. That's just one time thing. So here you see that you got one email, and the subject is the one which we have placed in our email action, deletion of close loss opportunity, and name we were fetching dynamically using the merge field or the global variable. And then this text is the same which we have placed in the email body. Gene Point Lab Generator opportunity name is coming up dynamically, and deleted by user first name and last name is also coming. So this is what we have done in our challenge, and this was required. Like, so you learn how on the deletion of record you can create or send an email by using the email action. So this is what expected out of this units challenge. Hope you learned something new. Now the only thing left for us to do is click on check challenge button. There you go. This unit is completed. See you in the next video with another unit or module. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.